How you doing, team? This is Romeo the Professor. How you doing today, family, friends, and students and future students? I want to talk to you regarding the market. It was at 3 trillion and now it's down to 2.7 trillion. It took a 10% dip. And ask yourself, do you think the market would take another 10% dip? I do. It's a correction. So it took a 10% dip right now. So what that means is if you had a $5,000 crypto account and all of your money was in the crypto market, that means now it's 4,500. Okay? And if you was heavy in meme coins, it's 4,000. Okay? So I always say expect a dip. Now, I'm going to speak to you, whoever's in the cryptocurrency market, like this. Always say to yourself, you want to be in under 5 coins. We know that. Okay? Now, some people going to say, but Professor, you have 7, you have 8, you have 9. Please, people, listen to me. There's Steph Curry that can shoot 3-pointers from different angles. That's because he's been practicing for a long time. And there's people who's learning how to shoot 3-pointers. First, they have to do it closer, and then at the 3-point line. Okay? There's different levels of professionalism. There's different level, period. So, under 5 coins. Okay, that is safe. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment purposes. So, Solana, Binance, those are mother coins. Meaning they have smart contracts built on top of them. Safe. And then, one meme coin. You could be in a meme coin 15 million market cap, or you could be in a meme coin on the market cap under 300 million, or you could be in a meme coin market cap under 70 million. Samu coin, Solana ecosystem, Oogie, Solana ecosystem, Polydodge, Polygon Matic ecosystem. What's another one? I don't know. Or that's done. Then you could be in a gaming metaverse coin, Decentraland, market cap 4 billion. Or you could be in Sandbox, market cap 2 billion. Or Atlas, that's on the Solana ecosystem, market cap 300 million. Or another that my students know. So it doesn't matter, okay? So now you have an understanding. That's 4 coins right there. And then the 5th coin, you decide whatever you want it to be. A meme, a gaming coin, or whatever. So that's 5 coins. Okay? My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, like. And you can click the link in my description if you want to join my course, because we do have a course. And there you'll join our private Telegram group where we give mentorship. Okay, so now you're there. So let's just say you had $10,000 and it's spread, and you have 2,000 in stablecoin, and the 8,000 you have 2,000 in Solana, 2,000 in Binance, 1,000 in meme coin, 1,000 in the gaming coin, and another 1,000 in another coin. That makes 5,000. And then you decide to, let's just say, you have 5,000 on the side that you could put in, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, that's your base. That's how you start. That's the starting point. Now, meme coins, have in your mind, they will drop 40%. Mother coins, have in your mind, when they will drop on average 15%. So know what you're dealing with. And don't jump out of coins. Once you commit to those 5 coins, commit to it. And just stay in it. If any of those coins, those meme coins or gaming coins go 100%, I would scrape 50%, put it in stablecoin, and chill. Now, if any mother coin like Solana or Binance goes up 30%, you can scrape 15% and put it in stablecoin. Stablecoin is realized gains. That's something called unrealized and realized gains. So if you say, oh, I have $10,000 in crypto and it's all in the market, it's not in stablecoin, those are unrealized gains. If the market falls 30%, bam, that 10,000 is 7,000. Okay? So being in 10 coins, 20 coins don't make sense. Now, if you have a portfolio of 200,000, you have 5 main coins that takes up about 70% of your portfolio, and then you have another 4 coins that takes up 10% of your portfolio, that's different. So that makes 9 coins. That's different. But if your market cap, if your portfolio is under 50,000, the maximum coins you can have is 7, because then we'll say Binance or Solana, we won't add that as your coin counts, because you need those to pay for gas to buy coins in the Solana ecosystem or to buy coins in the Binance ecosystem. So we'll say those are just coins you need for gas, and then 5 other coins. That's cool. And do not get into a coin if you're not going to buy a 40% dip in it. People quick to jump in all different type of meme coins, but as soon as it drops 40%, scared and want to take your money out. No, that's when you double down and you buy it, and then you chill. Remember, anytime you enter a meme coin, you have to buy it 3 times and then chill. So if you enter it with $1,000, you chill. If it goes up 50%, chill. Don't do nothing. It goes up 70%, then if you want to scrape 30%, but understand you're going to bring that 30% back in when it drops 40%. Because it'll drop 40%, then 45, then 50, and might 55%, and then you're good. Because you never know the support. But if you buy what you think is the support 4 times, in increments, lows of lows, lows of lows after 40%, then you're talking. So, number 1, under 5 coins. Number 2, buy those 5 coins when they all go under 40%. Not together, different times. Whenever it's fit, drop 40%, you buy them because you bought them at when it was high. So why you ain't come buy them when it's low? Thank you. All right, so listen, crypto.com is the account to have. Coinbase is the account to have. Binance US is the account to have, and Voyager is the account to have. Those are centralized exchange. Then you want, for decentralized, you want to have open a Trust wallet, you want to open a Phantom wallet, and then you want to open a MetaMask. Trust wallet is for all different type of coins: Binance, Ethereum, Polygon, and then MetaMask is so that you can use your desktop, your laptop, and you can use your phone. And then Phantom wallet is only on the desktop. That's for the Solana ecosystem coins. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, like. Click the link in my bio in the description, and you'll be able to enter your name and email address and receive a lesson a day up to 3 days. And if you would like to buy the course, you can. My name is Romeo the Professor. I'm out. Thank you.